guns, cover your eardrums. Here it is, here it comes, it's another one. Put up your big guns, cover your eardrums.
Alright, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove and install the trigger connector, which is up in here in this assembly here. You can kind of see it. Camera wants to be a little bit blurry. You can kind of see it right down in here. But pretty much how you're going to do that is I've seen a lot of videos. Everyone wants you to take apart the entire trigger assembly. Not necessary. Pretty much this pin right here on the back. And when I'll go ahead and punch that out. Alright. Now with that punched out, you can go ahead and lift up on this. Lift up on this thing right here. That'll kind of bring it all out. Alright, and the part we're talking about is this guy right here. Now pretty much you just want to, let me get this in front here. You pretty much just want to take this and kind of just turn it. Just get that turned to the side. Okay. Oh, it's kind of hard to do in the camera view. Alright, so pretty much you get it turned like that and you can pretty much get at it. When I first did it, I had some fingernails on me, so I was able to do it without any tools really. But probably gonna want to take a flathead like so. Just gonna stick it in there. Just gonna pry it up. Alright. You can go ahead and pry that the rest of the way off. Watch your fingers. Alright, so as you can see, this right here is where it slides into, and it goes into this little slot right there. This is the part we're talking about. This end right here, this is what goes into that slot. And then this is what you got sticking out there. Alright, this is the Ghost 3.5 pound trigger connector. This is what I got in it, so I'm just going to go ahead and stick that back into there. Like so. Gonna stick it in there. Okay, this is pretty difficult to do this one on camera actually. Alright. I'm just gonna hide a push in there on camera. But now that it's back in there, you just wanna, up here you got a mess that you gotta clean up. You're gonna want to take that guy and slide him back into, see that slot there? You want this. Let me just actually point out a little bit. You want this to slide into this slot down here. This the slot. So you just want to keep on wiggling it. There you go. See, that's all back into place now. go ahead and set it on down. Now it's all back together. So now you want to just take your pin, poke that on back through the back end there. Take your punch, even it up. And that's it. Let's put her back together, make sure that everything is functioning, which it definitely will be. There you go. That's how to do that.